Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your checkout process in Hostinger website builder. Examples of things that you can edit in your checkout process starts with this product promotion or promotion in this shopping bag. The second thing you will learn how to edit or add in your during your checkout process is asking for a phone number. By default, this was not the required or asked for. Same thing with the customization. Here in this case, I've called it special instructions. And the last thing is showing your legal pages during your checkout process. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Just log into your Hostinger account, go to websites, and next to your website, click on this edit website button. Now switch from the website builder to manage store. Then go to settings and click on checkout. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video and click on checkout. The first thing you can edit on your checkout page is showing additional product suggestions in your shopping bag. After enabling this option, as you see, the top 3 products in your all products category are suggested in the shopping bag. To suggest different items, move them to the top position in all products. Let's click on manage category, leave. This is the available products in my online store. Let's say that I want to promote this chair first, then this orange, and then this cup. Let's remember chair, orange, cup. Click on save. Now return to the previous page. This is it. Click on or enable again show products and hit this save button. Now let's return, or instead of returning, let's keep this checkout page open and open my website on a different tab. This is the same website. Click on bag, and as you can see here, before visiting the checkout page or just in the shopping bag, now Hostinger promotes my other products. This is good. Now let's return to edit the checkout page. The second thing you can edit on this page is between showing your legal pages at the checkout. By legal pages, I mean the terms and conditions, and also the privacy policy page. First, you need to check or to enable what you need or what legal page you want to show at checkout, and then you need to paste your link here. I think to add, or let's go and create these 2 pages. I think I already have these 2 pages created. Let's visit my footer. Here they are, the privacy policy page, paste it here, and the terms and conditions. If you don't know how to create those legal pages, it's simple. Just I will go to just log in to your website builder. And from the website builder, go to pages and navigation, click on add page and scroll down to privacy policy. Select this template, fill in your company name, website name, and email address, and hit add page. And automatically your new page will be added in the navigation menu, and you need to link to it by adding this text element. Just like that, double click it, policy, make the text white. Let's make the text font a little bit smaller, and same thing. Then double click it again, click on link, select page, and select your legal page or privacy policy. This is my privacy policy page. Same thing, repeat with terms and conditions page. In my case, I will delete this element and go back to the checkout, editing, or customization page. The third thing you can edit is requiring the customer phone number at checkout. Choose whether a phone number is required when making a purchase. I will enable this option. And you can also add a custom field to the checkout. When enabled, you can fill in your custom field name, for example, special instructions, and you can make this custom field mandatory or not. Let's make it mandatory, which means required. And the last thing you can edit on the checkout page is the store language or the checkout process language. Your selected language here will be used in the shopping bag, checkout process, and a few product page messages like in stock information. Click on save, updated or updates saved. Now let's visit my website, refresh it, go to the shopping bag, the promotions are here, click on checkout to visit the checkout page. And now I don't see the differences here. Let's jump to the next page, regular, and here this is the custom field, special instructions, and here I can see the legal pages added, or now my website started to ask for the legal pages agreement. Phone number, this is also added, the phone number. I think, where is the checkout? Yes, now the checkout asks for the phone number. I think that's all. The first edit is the shopping bag, or yes, the products promotion in the shopping bag. The second is the legal pages. Here they are. And the third editing was the phone number and the custom field. The phone number and the custom or the customization field. I called it special instructions. And this is how to edit your checkout in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.